Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Venmo on iPhone. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money using your iPhone. To get started, you will need to download the Venmo app from the App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and tap on Sign Up to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password and add a funding source, such as a bank account or credit card. After you have set up your account, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money. To send money, tap on the Pay or Request button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the amount you want to send and the recipient's name or phone number. You can also add a note to the payment, which is a great way to keep track of what the payment is for. To receive money, simply give the sender your Venmo username or phone number. You can also request money from someone by tapping on the Pay or Request button and selecting Request. Enter the amount you are requesting and the recipient's name or phone number. One of the key features of Venmo is its social aspect. When you make a payment, you can choose to share it on your Venmo feed, which is similar to a social media feed. You can also like and comment on other people's payments, which can be a fun way to engage with friends and family. To keep your account secure, make sure to set up a PIN or use Touch ID or Face ID to log in. You should also keep your funding source information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. In addition to sending and receiving money, you can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services at participating merchants. To do this, simply select the merchant from the Venmo app and follow the prompts to complete the payment. Overall, using Venmo on iPhone is a convenient and easy way to send and receive money. By following these steps and using the app's features, you can take advantage of the benefits of Venmo and make peer-to-peer payments a breeze.